If you're working with Thunkable's newer AI-based setup, the workflow is a bit different from the traditional drag-and-drop builder. Instead of manually searching through a full components list right away, most projects now start from a generated app structure, and you can modify or extend it using the built-in AI chat system. So if you already have an app created and you want to add something like local storage, you don't need to rebuild anything from scratch or manually hunt for components in the old way. You can actually use the AI chat to help you insert it into your existing project. Start by opening Thunkable in your web browser and selecting the project you already created. Once your app loads, you'll notice the updated interface where the AI chat feature is available alongside your project workspace. This is now the main way to extend or modify existing apps. Instead of manually navigating through a full component library, you can simply use the chat and describe what you want to add. For example, you can type something like, add local storage to save user input or store username using local storage and retrieve it when the app opens. The AI will interpret your request and automatically integrate the necessary logic into your project. Once you send a request, the AI will process your instruction and update your app structure in the background. This usually includes adding the required storage functionality, connecting it to relevant input fields or screens, and setting up the logic so the data can be saved and retrieved properly. After the update is applied, you'll see changes reflected in your project. The system may also explain what was added, so you understand how the storage feature is working inside your app. At this point, you can test it directly within the preview or live testing environment. If you want to refine how it works, you can continue using the AI chat. For example, you can ask it to save a specific input field when a button is clicked, or automatically load saved data when the screen opens. This makes the process more conversational rather than manual. Even though the interface has shifted toward AI-driven building, the concept behind local storage remains the same. It still allows your app to store small pieces of data directly on the user's device, such as names, settings, or simple preferences, and retrieve them later even after the app is closed. The main difference now is that instead of wiring blocks manually, you're guiding the system through natural language. This can actually make development faster, especially for beginners, because you focus on what you want the app to do rather than how to technically build it. And that's how you can use Thunkable's updated AI workflow to add local storage to an existing app. Simply open your project, use the AI chat to describe what you need, and let the system handle the implementation while you focus on refining the behavior through additional prompts.